Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enter pairing mode on Motorola Vervebuds 200. And to do this, in instructions it says that if you open a case and remove both of the earbuds, they will enter pairing mode, but there's no such thing happening right now. And to actually enter pairing mode, you will need to power them on manually. So hold the power key, the touchpad key right here, and press it. Hold it until you hear the Motorola iconic sound. Then they should actually enter pairing mode, and now you can connect them with any device. But in case you want to connect to them while there's other devices paired, then you might need to perform factory reset on them. And to do this, we'll need to power them off. Then we'll need to hold both of the keys again for about 10 seconds, and after so, put them back into the charging case. And as you can see, they are disconnected from the Android smartphone as they were previously. Now put them back in the charging case, close the lid, open it again. And now let's try to connect them with the iPhone. They're in the pairing mode. Click on Vervebuds 200 on the other device, and as you can see, they are connected instead of the Android. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.